I think if he'd have asked any of us beforehand whether a mid-January Scotland road trip was on the bucket list, the answer would have probably been no. But as we headed back south to London, we couldn't help but feel a little sad that our 8-day adventure around this beautiful country had finally drawn to a close. It's strangely hard to put into words what made the trip so special. For example, it would be all too easy to talk about the incredible history, the great hiking, and the stunning landscapes. But there was more to it than that. I think it was partly due to visiting at such an unusual time of year.
It's a bit cold.
And that, whilst this certainly presented some challenges, short days, closed attractions, and sometimes brutal weather,
This is ridiculous!
we discovered a sort of charm, an almost schoolboy feeling of adventure, setting off each day with what felt like the entire of Scotland to ourselves. From the fun activities and silly games to the amazing locals we met along the way. Even the strange stories which spooked us at the time
Okay, now my heart's going.
became part of what made this our own little adventure. It feels like, as humans, we have a tendency to overcomplicate things. We feel like the grass is always greener somewhere else. In fact, I'm sure these new challenges we're facing in the world right now are partly due to people thinking that flying halfway across the globe is the only way to unwind. We've fallen into a trap of air miles and expensive cocktails, fast Wi-Fi, but a lack of real connection. And we seem to have lost that sense of freedom, that almost foolish feeling that comes with the uncertainties of the open road. And that's exactly what Scotland was for us, a rekindling of that pioneering spirit. A reminder that there's a certain beauty in the simple things in life. 3 mates, living in a van.
What a spacious boudoir.
Following a road. Across one of the most beautiful landscapes in the world. In our next mini Jamalon series, we head east to Vietnam. And in true Jamalon style, we have a calming, uneventful, and accident-free holiday. This is 100% where it ends for us.
The drone's gone for a little swim.
Paul has been riding along and the key to his bike has fallen out.
Not as bad as it looks. Not as bad though.
My key fell out my pocket.